Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest and his name is Seven, and he and we already decorated the house. I was going to do a decorate with me, but we got carried away with decorating the tree and fireplace, and everything is done already except for maybe one little thing I forgot to place on my wall. But anyways, I did buy a few items. I really have a theme to this tour of my living area for Christmas. So I'm going with old-fashioned, traditional Christmas. And of course the colors are red, green, and gold. I'm going to show you the few items I did purchase for this holiday season, starting with stickers for my grandson. He loves placing stickers on the wall and on, decor items. Look, I got you stickers. You like those?
Yeah, I want some.
Well, one second, okay? And then I know there's a trend going on with bows and ribbon. So I went to the thrift store. I found a beautiful, large gold bow. And I will place it probably on my cabinet. Or
Can I eat it?
He has candy, so he's going to eat his candy while I show you guys my beautiful deer wall decor piece. I purchased this from Home, I guess HSN Home Shopping Network. It was a little expensive, but I couldn't resist it. It was like, I think going for like $60. And it is 28 inches in height. And it also has, it lights up. So I'll show you guys once I place it on the wall. And now I would like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a very safe Christmas. And my grandson wish you also a Merry Christmas. Seven, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And stay tuned for my home tour. It's coming up right now.
I'm eating crispy treats.
And thanks for watching.
I'm eating crispy treats, Rice Krispie treats.
Because he's been a good boy. I forgot to mention I added a red nose and a red bow onto the deer, and his name is Rudolph. Also, I purchased those two ornaments from Walmart a few years ago, and their names are Prancer and Dancer. And I hope you guys check out my beautiful foyer. Also, it has a remote, and let me turn him on.